guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mel, and in today's video I wanted to share with you guys how I decorate my coffee bar when I'm not decorating for the different seasons. So if you guys want to see how it turned out and what the process is like, please continue to tune in, and I hope you enjoy, because I enjoyed decorating as well. And I'll see you soon. Okay guys, I wanted to give you guys an overview of all the items I will be using to decorate my coffee bar. As you guys can see, the theme for my coffee bar will be black and white. I am super excited because I am giving my eyes a break from all of the bright red colors that we have been using for Christmas and Valentine's Day, and I wanted my eyes to adjust to something regular, something normal, before I start with another set of bright colors, which is for St. Patrick's Day. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I am back, and I want to call this video or this process back to basics. So I can't wait to get started. So let's go. I already cleaned all the surfaces that I'm about to place my Rae Dunns on. So come along, let's get decorating.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just argue. And I know you're gonna act a fool, and then no one could tell the difference between me and you, babe. Watching from a distance, hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Maybe I need some space, need somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow. But for now, I just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it, oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Take it away, feeling too good to me. chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you
is a wrap. I am all finished decorating my coffee bar for the off season, and I'm so in love with how it turned out, with all the greenery, with all the black and white. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you enjoyed the entire look. I also want to thank you guys for continuing to watch my videos. Thank you for liking, thank you for commenting, and thank you for subscribing. If you are not following me on Instagram, it is the same name as this YouTube channel right here, Mel Just Simple. Go ahead and follow me. You will see everything that I find, what I post, any new updates. And don't forget also to hit that notification bell to know when I upload a next video. Be safe, be blessed, peace.